Being in the Honors College keeps me in the spirit of growth. We've cultivated this boiling pot environment where it's okay to push each other, where it's okay to have friendly competition, because we're all in the right spirit in growing professionally. We are leaders amongst leaders, and we push each other, even sometimes in friendly competition. There's a lot of professional development, there is innovation, there's dedication, there's determination. We must make sure that in all our endeavors, we are serving people the correct way and that they feel loved, they feel that they are cared for, and they also feel motivated at the end of the day. So I feel like I've been able to make an impact by being intentional with all the friendships, with the relationships and the networking, and just trying to cater my leadership style to everybody across campus, not just the Honors College. My favorite part about the Honors College here is the community. The people that I've been able to meet are insanely amazing. They push me to limits that I never knew that I could reach. I've always been the tech guy in the family. Since before I was knowledgeable, I was always fixing refrigerators, computers, laptops, you name it. And then, by the nature, I was intrigued in that. I wanted to be a lawyer until I signed up for my magnet program in my high school, which was a computer science cybersecurity. And the coursework that I learned there, it instantly let me know that this is something that I need to do, and this is something I'm very interested in. When I first got here to GCU, I got the opportunity to work here at the IT help desk in a very fast-paced environment, answering a variety of questions about numerous technical issues. I love being challenged, I love solving issues, very analytical person. Once I was about a year into the game, I knew that this is something I wanted to pursue. My coursework here at GCU is the foundation of it all. The technical foundation comes from these classes that they teach here. I work in networking now, and we have a world-class line of networking classes specifically, and that has helped me be able to go from real world to class seamlessly and stay ahead of the technological curve. My FBI internship gave me real-world experience in cybersecurity and professional development. It helped build character, discipline, and leadership. I walked away clearly knowing exactly what they taught me and being able to use these skills in my career moving forward. I've always been fascinated by federal work, and who wouldn't want to work with the FBI? It's always been kind of a dream. You see it in the movies. You want to do some of that cool work, but it never really came to me until I saw the application open in one of my technology classes. I went ahead and took the opportunity thinking that I would never get it, and I got it with the grace of God. Honors has been invaluable. It's taught me how to lead, taught me how to network, taught me how to communicate, and how to present myself professionally. In 5 years, I see myself being a cybersecurity analyst at a company in Atlanta, Georgia. I plan on living out that dream. I can use the experiences and the leadership that I've learned from the Honors College to ensure that I hold myself to the same standard that I held myself to when I was here. I still want to make sure that in my life I am being able to lead others with great servanthood, with great discipline, and with great character.